get one who won't get guests for our midst. And this man now, one man where we say don't stand back at the as regards financial fitness. He understand a lot where we say got to do with your finances and all that. And we don't they transcend, they enter the digital economy. And the man where we say they play for that space. Within exactly you need to understand about NFTs. And not say you go down they hear that phrase. Some people say na initials for person name. No be initials. Now non-fungible tokens. But within exactly you need to understand about NFTs and the metaverse. We get my WebC understand a lot for this space. Mr. Victor Emelatobi, you're very much welcome, Mr. Victor.
Thank you, Frank.
Okay, so you be amazing man for the world of for the digital economy, and you don't play for that space. And as man, we don't do there, we don't understand that terrain. Within exactly the NFTs, maybe my people understand. Within exactly the this phrase, we say there's the real core at this point in time. We'll pay attention.
You know, so you don't do the works more. You just they say make I contribute things like that. Just the way we hear an NFT. Yeah. Non-fungible token. Yeah. But maybe we still break them down to kindergarten level where we say 5 years, we understand them.
Absolutely.
When you say, more look at the F there, now be the big problem there. Okay. The F there, fungible. Leave that big grammar as it sound. It means, say this thing, we feel replicate them or we no feel replicate them. When you say something, they fungible, it means say you feel duplicate that thing. When you say something no fungible, it means say you no fit duplicate that thing. I feel narrating for you now. If I come out 10 naira for here, I go outside, we see plenty other 10 naira with everywhere. But if I come out one gold bar for here, I know if you go outside, maybe we go they scatter the gold bar. You see now, you don't get strength. So now also, for the world of money, yeah. Fungibility, they come into the process of authenticity. When something no fit, they multiply severally. That thing they get value.
That's right.
Pass waiting, you fit multiply. So more use artwork. The Mona Lisa artwork, the original artwork for the world.
Yeah.
They run into billions right now for Naira. And you no fit duplicate them. You fit do photocopy. But it get contracts where they don't use seal the original one. Where we say when somebody won't buy it, they will look out for them. So now the token for that NFT now the contract will regulate the original quantity of waiting you create. So this one now, another dimension of digital transaction when it comes to transaction of things where they happen for where they call blockchain. Okay, so people now can say, you know, waiting, we go create something, give them value. But I go talk and the word they use the tell my guys there for class. I said, NFTs and cryptocurrencies are like artwork. Shane a person we don't chop belly food, they go buy artwork. Now the same thing where they happen for NFT. Leave Bitcoin out of this one now.
That's right.
Bitcoin and money. So now big boys then we don't get love, family, and everything. So they find things where then go give value. So these guys then just goes, okay, you know what? All those goals then where then score for basketball will make sense. Make them frame them inside video. Start to sell them and something will get value.
Yeah.
You don't become like another Mona Lisa.
That's right.
They get the one they call CryptoPunk. They just design one kind of cartoon. Because you know what? This cartoon now, I put you $2 million. Now wait till you go sell. And like play. Other big boys don't they play with them. The thing can they cause what they call mental hype. That mental hype then don't give value where they cause the bubble where they happen now.
That's right.
You understand? So at the end of the day, now say you get off from it and say, we say make this thing be this thing. Now be the NFT way they hear. So
yeah.
Now we don't create another value for digital space. So you know if we generally categorize them as art. So whenever they talk about Bitcoin, not be the same thing as NFT. But either Bitcoin or Ethereum, now the contract will validate the NFT. Just like if I carry artwork where you say now big artwork, you get something we validate that artwork.
Okay, but as you don't talk, I'm saying mental hype.
Mental hype.
If you look, if you check the antecedent, check where we come from as regards money and how money don't transcend. We get one time we say we don't give that mental hype to cowries. We give cowries so much value in such a way we say if I give you one cowrie, you don't get huge value as regards transaction. From there it transcend, enter gold. If I give you gold, which is still concurrent, which is still happening till now, the value of gold. And not just metal.
Because we say make it be so.
Because we say make it be so. And right now, NFTs right now, we don't give them that
that value. We don't say make it be
people
so.
talk say as now we don't enter this phase. Say it go transcend, it go revolutionize the entertainment space because you get people who say you talk about some kind video clips. You get people who say they don't different things. We say they don't get as regards their skits, their content, the video in music, don't jazzy in production. All these people now don't they play in that space.
One artist don't release music.
Yeah, album to relent.
We use NFT take the sell them. Now why I say go work for the entertainment space? Waiting be entertainment, not be art.
That's right.
And the whole idea of value, now art. For this space now.
Yes.
So anything we relate to art, even this talk with me and you, they talk.
That's right.
Maybe 400 years from now, somebody if you just capture the first conversation on NFT for Wazobia Max TV.
Yeah.
Just say Freeman, bam. Because it happened now. The first tweet, where they tweet for Twitter,
yeah, that's right.
They sell them $2.something million as NFT. They talk to you.
Yeah.
You get one artwork, one guy we don't they make wave. Just gather small patches of art. I am the designer for some of these fashion house. The other guy says $62 million. You see, say this money they ring bell.
That's
$62 million, just $1 million, about 500 and something million for Nigeria.
So some people right now don't even they confused. And how they feel use play in that space? We just steps breakdown.
You know, now this side that they like talk about.
That's right.
You understand? It be like make I talk about forex market.
Yeah, time no there.
Yeah, so whenever you go forex market, get with you right for the website. They say invest only what you're willing to lose.
That's right.
No, they forget that thing when you want play this kind of play. I tell you, say na big boys play with this.
That's right.
But poor man fee play the average guy fee play there. But you go put your mind say this will not be my feeding money. So now, if you want get into the NFT space, number one. If you know if you see mentor or coach like us, go YouTube. Watch everything about NFT. No allow somebody rush you enter.
That's right.
Now your money. Then two, places then where you feel buy some of those NFTs where they call if you CryptoPunk now big boys. OpenSea, Top Shot, NBA Top Shot.
That's right.
Then plenty. Then get some people now we be say they take advantage of this kind of opportunity to come out your money from your pockets. If you no see them for blockchain, no dive.
Oh, you don't talk and finish. Time not even there outside to talk this thing. But then if you catch them across all social media platforms, at where? So that
Victor Emelato be official for Instagram. Or if you check my website, www.bishopofwallstreet.com.
So you don't hear them exactly. My name is Fagbo Frank. Time to the other side to continue all this conversation on top NFTs and the Metaverse. No go anywhere because the Good Morning Naija show continues. We get one Obonge guest also. We say we want through you guys as to waiting they come up. Victor Essele. No go anywhere.